Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we will mix pink magenta latex satin finish for concrete wall. Pink magenta, this color tone isn't for those who want to blend in. It's a color that can't help but stand out because it's so bright. We suggest using it as an accent color. It really pops when paired with colors like gray and darker neutrals. If you want to go a little bolder, add furniture. If you are new to our channel, please do click the subscribe button below to keep updated on our paint mixing tutorial videos. Thank you. Our client order 1 liter pink magenta latex satin finish mix for concrete wall accent. We prepare 3 color combination, 60% of ochre color permanent maroon, 35% of gloss latex white, and 5% of ochre color phthalo blue. Okay, let's start. Let's pour in a little amount of gloss latex white. Then let's add more ochre color permanent maroon. Drop a little ochre color phthalo blue. Stir the paint very well. It's almost the same. Let us compare if we will be having some adjustment. It's a little more lighter. Let's add ochre color maroon and drop a little ochre color phthalo blue. Phthalo blue makes the magenta pink low the color brightness. Okay, let's compare once again. We just have to dark the color a little more. Let's drop more ochre color phthalo blue. We have to add a little more gloss latex white to lower the brightness. are more brighter, we have to add ochre color tuladine red. Also more drop of ochre color phthalo blue. Okay, we got the same shade already. The color is more darker when it's become fully dry. Mixing accomplished. Until next paint mixing tutorial videos, don't forget to subscribe guys, okay? Thank you for watching.